You may remember that not too long ago, but actually kind of a while ago, we broke the chassis on this car. Actually, Max did. He totally obliterated it, broke it in half. The entire car fell apart. And finally, our new chassis came in and we got it fixed. So I'm going to show the replacement of the chassis real quick. I'm also going to show the quick swap of the plastic to the metal wheel cups in the rear of this truck. Then we're going to take them both out for a sweet bash, and we're going to put a 3S battery in this one for the first time. And I already know that this sucker flies on 3S, because this part was recorded after the rest of the video. I'm actually going to start with this truck because all we're doing is replacing these little wheel cups with metal ones. They used to be plastic, so this should be a real quick, easy job. She's not quite as straight as she used to be. So it's gonna start raining any second. It's already sprinkling actually. So we're just gonna use the little ramp today. That chassis has been broken for like a month. So it's been a while since I've driven this car. And I like these wheels better, so next time we'll be swapping them. This car is so fast, it does lose control really easy. Especially if you don't hit the ramp straight on. These tires really are horrible for this car. It loses traction real easy. Gosh. Tires are way too light for any type of air control at all. This one's a lot easier to control, but partly because it's nowhere near as fast. Wow. We got the big old 3S slammed in there. Oh my God. I'd say that wakens her up. All right. Are you serious? That was amazing. Just somersaulted up the steps. Oh. Wow, this thing is insane on 3S. That was a big difference. Next time, we are gonna swap the wheels out with these 903 wheels because they do get better traction. Nothing broke.